There's 5 things that when you understand, you will be able to make money using Warrior Plus and using free traffic. I'm talking about the 5 W's, and the first 2 are the who and what to promote when you're talking about offers and products on Warrior Plus. Your first instinct when you land on Warrior Plus is to go to Marketplace Top Products and simply look at this top 10 list and say, these must be the products that I want to promote. But let's take a look here at the top product called Tweety and the number 10 product called the Power of Affirmations PLR. And again, we're talking about the who and the what. The who is the vendor. It's the person that sells this product. It's the person that's going to create the product, support the product to the audience, your audience, when you promote this product. The what is the product and what does it do? What purpose does it serve to your audience? What problem does it solve for your audience? Again, back to the number 1 product. Today, randomly on Warrior Plus is a product called Tweety. You're brought to the sales page of Tweety simply by clicking on the link over at Warrior Plus, and you see this: activate Tweety traffic bots in 1 click and get free buyer traffic from 353 million visitors. We're making 1K daily or more with this traffic without writing a single word, without paid ads. Now it's your turn. Get free traffic within 24 hours. Works like a charm for newbies. This traffic loves to buy, works in any niche, 100% automated app, no extra expenses needed. Now go back to number 10, the Power of Affirmations PLR. Sales page headline again by clicking on the product name. Millions are searching for premium content on this topic every month. Now you can give it to them. Make huge profits from this always in demand self-help topic that millions crave top quality information on. This is a golden opportunity for you to dominate the market. Simply add your name as the author of the content and sell it as your own immediately. Charge whatever you want and keep all the profits. Everything is done for you. This is a complete no-brainer. So when you're looking at the who and the what of this product, you're looking at the vendor first of all. Second of all, you're looking at the what. What is this product and who is the target market? And do you have the audience for this target market? Number 10, the Power of Affirmations PLR is a PLR product or private label rights. This is done for you content that you sell to your audience. They make their own. Tweety is a software product that is supposed to solve the problem of getting traffic to offers. Is this something that your audience is interested in? Have you worked to build this audience that is interested in either one of these products? Now that's the what. Let's drill into the who. Simply click on the vendor. Depending on who the vendor is, they'll have their page here. Of course, a vendor like this, they don't have a whole lot going here. So it does make me wonder, and they've only been a member since April 21st. Most likely, this is an account that was just created by a vendor or a couple of vendors to specifically launch this one product. And there's tons of reasons to do that. But also this throws up a red flag to me, because as a person that has built an audience and taken the time to build the trust with that audience, when I come to Warrior Plus and I see this, the vendor hasn't even taken time to build out their profile and properly inform me who they are. Now, there's other ways for them to inform me who they are via their JV page, and that's fine as well. But again, they haven't taken the simple steps that I've taken as a Warrior Plus vendor to identify myself to anyone that wants to promote my products. Go down to number 10, the Power of Affirmations PLR. Click on this vendor. Here you can see Online Biz Giant. Again, they don't have any type of logo, but they do have a history of products here that you can actually go back and take a look, as well as they have 143 ratings and 4.5 stars and 21,834 sales, and they've been a member since 2011. Still not perfect in my opinion because their profile is empty, but getting better. And again, there are other ways, and there are people or vendors that simply don't put any merit in configuring these types of things on Warrior Plus. And this is part of the 5 steps that you're going to be figuring out along your journey. But if you pay attention to what I'm telling you here, you will be able to make money with Warrior Plus. Now comes the third W of when to promote. Typically, a launch is the best time to promote simply because of the buzz around the product, and it allows you to generate buzz with your audience because the product is typically on sale. But an evergreen product with a good vendor, you could always work out a deal, get a coupon code, do a specialized launch for your audience, get either the same discount or really close to the same discount, and use that to your advantage. Back to Warrior Plus, go to affiliate, go to Launch Calendar. Here you're going to be able to see the launch calendar for all the products on Warrior Plus, either by the month, the week, or the day. Remember, think long-term here. Think and look for evergreen products. Again, look at those top products, evaluate those products. If you can get review access, great. If not, purchase the product, share the fact that you purchased it with your audience, demo the product, and show a long-term case study of you using the product. And if the product is valuable, then your audience isn't going to have a problem paying the full price, because their return on investment and the fact that you showed it to them and that you used it and you got results are way going to outweigh the simple fact of getting a good deal and you pushing FOMO, or fear of missing out, down their throat about a product that is launching right now that you really don't know anything about, and that you're only making a recommendation about it to get them, your audience, to purchase it so you can earn an affiliate commission and possibly a chance at an affiliate contest prize. And that's just not a good way to do business. Now let's talk about W number 4, the where. Where do you get the free traffic? Where do you promote this? Where do you find people that are interested and looking for the information, either in the form of a product review or helpful content that shows them how they can use this product to do what the product says it does? Of course, is what you are in the business of, creating helpful content and building an audience and letting them know about the products that will help them in their online journey. So back to Warrior Plus. Top product of the day today is called Tweety. In this case, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to type in Tweety Review. Here in the top 3 spots, you're going to see Tweety Review plus demo, a bonus. Tweety Review, Tweety Demo, walkthrough, does Tweety work? These videos are videos that are considered launch jacking videos, and that just simply means they are riding the trend of the fact that this product is being launched. There's a discount and there's tons of buzz around this product, and you're going to be able to get traffic from the high volume of concentrated search during this launch period. If you'd like to know more about that strategy, there's a card up here in the right-hand corner. Click that card and learn about the dark art of launch jacking. But understand, this is not the only way to get traffic on YouTube, and it's still my number 1 recommended source for you to build an audience to sell products on Warrior Plus, utilizing the free traffic source that is YouTube, because you can build helpful content that show people exactly how to use the product it is you're trying to sell. And then at any point, you can just interject in that video, in that content, that you put a link in the description, and all your audience has to do is click that link and check it out at any time. And again, if it's an evergreen product, you can feel comfortable in recommending it for the long term. Again, we're talking about that long-term mentality, that long-term thinking of building a real affiliate marketing business. And that leads me to number 5, or the last W in this series, the why. Why are you doing this? You're doing this and you are going to be able to make money. This is why you will be able to make money, is because you're doing it to help your audience solve their real problems with your content by either A, giving them helpful content to show them how to use the product, or giving them a solid, helpful review, and they know that you're only recommending the product because you tested the product, you tried the product, or you trust that the product's going to work based upon your past relationships with the vendor, and you recommend that person and that product, and the people that have put their trust in you over this long term of you building this helpful content are going to lean on you and rely on your recommendation. And this is why these 5 W's are going to allow you to make money here on Warrior Plus with free traffic. It really is just that simple, but if you're not 100% convinced, click on the video you see on the screen right now. That video is going to put together the rest of the pieces of the puzzle that may be missing for you. So check that video out. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.